In today's video, we're diving into the world of photo management with a look at 3 of the best gallery apps for Android. Let's explore the unique features of each of these fantastic apps. Right Gallery. Right Gallery is a feature-rich image and video gallery application designed to provide users with a seamless and efficient way to manage their media files. This app supports a wide range of formats, ensuring compatibility with various image and video types. Its user-friendly interface allows for easy navigation and organization of photos into albums. One of the standout features of Right Gallery is its ability to protect sensitive content with password protection or fingerprint locking, providing an added layer of security for your private files. Additionally, the app offers slideshow capabilities, image editing tools, and the option to share content directly to social media platforms, making it a versatile choice for anyone looking to enhance their media viewing experience. Gallery Elite. Gallery Elite is a premium gallery app that focuses on delivering a polished and elegant user experience. It offers advanced organizational features, such as custom album creation and tagging, allowing users to categorize their photos efficiently. Gallery Elite provides a beautiful interface with smooth navigation and visual effects that make browsing through photos enjoyable. The app supports high-definition images and can display them in their original quality, ensuring an impressive viewing experience. With features like cloud integration and the ability to share via various platforms, Gallery Elite is an excellent option for users who want an aesthetically pleasing and functional gallery application. Fast Photo Gallery. Fast Photo Gallery is designed for users who prioritize speed and efficiency when viewing their images and videos. This app allows for quick loading times, which means you can access your media library almost instantaneously. Fast Photo Gallery offers straightforward organization tools that let you create folders and albums with ease. The interface is minimalistic and intuitive, making it accessible for users of all ages. The app also includes basic editing features, such as cropping and rotation, allowing for quick adjustments before sharing. Thanks for tuning in. We hope this overview of Right Gallery, Gallery Elite, and Fast Photo Gallery has helped you find the perfect gallery app for your needs. Until next time, happy photo organizing.